Guys, back with Legends, and dude, I apologize to you guys, but we're not gonna end good this season. We're gonna end quite poorly, and it's just because of those last 2 days having just such terrible defense. I need to get a better Legends subscription very bad next season, so that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I apologize. I low-key, I even said in my last video I probably won't complete the season or even do any more attacks, and I was thinking about it, and I was like, well, I'll still do them. I need to get better. I need to learn how to try to not time fail. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're just getting them done. Hopefully you guys like my commentary with stuff, because that's really all I got going for me with these videos, to be honest. Because why would you watch somebody play Clash of Clans if they're not gonna do good or end high? I have no idea. But let's get into the first attack and just try to do good. So, this base. 3-starred this base before. Hopefully I can replicate it. I think we're gonna try to fireball the Rage Tower, obviously. Oh my god. Okay. Interesting. A lot of fucking bombs. God damn it, I can't speak either. Holy shit. Oh, look at that cocksucker. 1, 2, 3. Nice. That's tech. Tried to get me with that fucking air sweeper. What a cocksucker. Ooh. Furnace, okay. We want to... Hold up. We gotta watch out for his main prince. Okay, we're good. No worries. No worries whatsoever. And that should get the town hall. Okay. That's good. Really worried that this king is gonna pull this ward and we're gonna get fucked because of that. No, I think we're good. Sweet. Swag king ability. Let's go. That's a good start to the day. Usually we don't have good starts to the day on this channel. Usually we time fail. But that base is quite burnt and quite easy. I'm surprised we didn't time fail though. We shot a quick fireball and that was good. So, nice guys. Okay, let's get into another attack. Let's try to fucking 3-star, goddammit. Okay. Looking at this base. I severely dislike this base. Oh, I don't know what to do. Let's just play it by ear, I guess. I'm going to use 3 furnaces because shooting a fireball into this multi-inferno, that's going to take a lot of fucking time. Let's be real. That's going to take a fucking coon's age. By coon's age, I mean it's going to take a long ass time. I don't think we need a rage. Nice. Don't need a fucking rage. Fuck that shit, man. Oh, I was gonna say it. I thought about it. I thought about saying it. But I didn't. Because I have self-control. I have self-control, goddammit. We're gonna let him take out this multi-archer. And then we're gonna shoot this fireball. One, two, three. I really like it right there. Ooh, that's tech, sir. Very nice, sir. That's awesome, sir. There's a troop launcher. I probably should have delayed the troop launcher, honestly. I didn't need that, I wasted it. Oh shit, we're fucked. That base is so... This base is like really, really difficult. Like, insanely difficult. I'm not surprised we failed. Not surprised. That base is fucking ridiculous. What are you supposed to do on it? I guess you have to get Flame Flinger value. But getting Flame Flinger value on that base is like also really hard, which I don't know how to do. Not exactly sure what to do on that base. Oh, nice. Yup, just attack the graveyard. Very nice. That is not nice, guys. Not nice. Motherfucker. You know, looking at that, I should have recalled the warden on the other side. Recalling up top was retarded. Why the fuck would I do that? Dude, I might be one of the stupidest motherfuckers I know. I might honestly be. Out of all motherfuckers I know, though, I am the best at Clash. I must say that. This is bad. Because I don't know how to 3-star this base, goddammit. Fuck, we kinda gotta use a log launcher because of the fucking invis. I hate this base. This base cannot be 3-starred. By normal means. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think it can be 3-starred. No, with this attack anyway. I would try to use 2 because I don't know. I guess we could try to use a log launch or try to, you know what? Fuck yeah, our season's fucked anyway. We'll try it. We'll try a Flame Flinger. Now we gotta wait though. There's a rage. Ah, I did not want to use that poison on there, but I have to. Dude, we're in a time fail. Time fail, if not just straight up fail. My god, we're gonna fucking 1-star just like I predicted. Nope, let's go. But, you know, like I said, can't be 3-starred. Well, actually, this is actually just a time fail. No, actually, I don't know. The king's there. Yeah, we'll call it a time fail. No, it actually is a time fail, because even though the king can get taken out by the, rip to the phoenix. I think that's a time fail. Yeah, it is, because he can take out that king before he gets shredded. That is a tragic time. They call me Mr. Time Fail for a reason. They call me Mr. Time Fail for a reason. I time fail so much, I actually changed my YouTube handle. Like if you tagged me, it would still be Mikey COC, but I made the username Mr. Time Fail because I am the king of time fails. I thought we broke that base down pretty good. We kind of were late on the flame flinger, but I think we broke it down pretty good. I was honestly happy with that attack. I thought that was pretty stellar. Just not good enough. Alright, looking at this base, what is the range on the... Oh. What do we fireball? Fuck. I wasn't even thinking about what we should fireball. Oh shit, that's bad, gang. I wonder if I could go... I wonder if I could go 1, 2, 3, 4. Would that target the... Nice. Very nice. That was actually a sick fireball, if I do say so myself. Now, where do we place this warden, though? We're using a log launcher, for sure. Most definitely using a log launcher. Let's actually get some cleanup down here to try to set this funnel for the log launcher. Nice, we recalled out. Oh my god, we might actually 1-star. Wait, actually, this is tech. Hold up. Wait, is this aura? Wait, this might actually be aura. Dude, this is aura. Let's go. Oh my god. Well, you know what they call me, gang. They call me Mr. Time Fail. This is probably going to be a time fail. No, dude. We fucked on that base pretty good, bro. You know, like I always say, we bent him over a table, no lubricant, no nothing, just ran a train on him, bro. Let's fucking go. I've never actually seen that base, though. We executed that pretty good. I'm happy with that. It kind of turns me on. Okay, let's get into another attack. Also, by the way, my, ooh, I can actually level this up. Let's fucking go. Dude. I love this ability. I think the new equipment is awesome. I think it's sick. I think it pairs so well. A lot of people were saying that it's trash, and I'm like, bro, are you fucking high? I was like, this is not this this equipment is not trash. I honestly, when they first said it was coming out, I thought it was gonna be broken, if I'm being honest with you. But no, dude. This shit's awesome, dude. I don't know what people were talking about when they were saying that it was gonna suck. Fucking crazy. I think it's fucking sick. It's just such a cool equipment, you know what I mean? I think it's sick. It's not as cool as the fireball, but it's up there. We're trying to, obviously, I've always time failed this base. I've never 3-starred it in Legends and not time failed it, so we're just gonna maybe try to finally 3-star it. Furnaces will get that down. Nah, dude, we're gonna time fail again. It's just how it goes. Make sure you have the ice block equipped and not something else. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right into the core. Recall out. Recall over here. Get a furnace going up here. Doo-doo. We're going to try to delay this. We're going to delay the troop launcher just for a second. That's a nasty, spiky ball. Make sure he lives through that. Oh my god, we might actually 3-star for the first time and not time fail. Oh my god, that's awesome. Oh my god, that is sick. We actually might not time fail. Dude, that is so awesome. I have never not time failed on that base. Oh my god, we actually might still time fail. Oh my god, that is crazy if we still time fail. Come on, minion, put in work from 64th and from 65th to minion, not from 63rd. Going against the minions like crawling through quicksand. Alright, let's get into some more attacks. Man, I'm happy. Fuck that base. Ooh, I've actually attacked this base once before. And oh, that's right. I attacked it in a friendly challenge clan. I have a very good memory. I attacked in a friendly challenge clan and I 1-starred because I tried to fireball, I think I fireballed something over here and I think I tried to, go down. Wait, I wasn't using this attack, though. I was using, I think I was using meteor golems. Fuck meteor golems. I don't really see any flame flinger value, if I'm being honest with you. Well, there's kind of... Nah, but there's too many expos though, right? I don't know if it's worth it or not. Nah, we're already too late into the attack to do that, gang. Let me try to think how he's going to do this fireball. Dude, if we could... Oh my god, dude. One, two, three, four. Does that go to the Rage Tower? Oh my god, that's fucking sick. Oh my god. That took so much time, but damn, that was sick. We're gonna have to save it. Oh, of course. I have to save a totem for this warden. We're gonna, yeah. Time fail. Took too long to do that spiky, or to do that fucking that fireball. But that fireball was sick, dude. You can't lie, that fireball was aura. That thing was awesome. But yeah, you know, that was a nasty ass fireball though. I was proud of that. I didn't think I'd get it there. I knew it was gonna time fail though. Let's do another one though. But like, dude, our season is so fucked. After going minus 320 and then minus 2, what was it, 292? Dude, after being minus that, it's like, dude, you're fucked. Like, honestly. I attacked this base in war, and I crushed it in war, so I really hope that, the plan still works, but because you know war is normal mode, right? So I really hope this plan works in the new Legends. Probably won't. I know there's a Tesla by that Archer Queen. I know that much. Let's go ahead and use a Rage. I'm kind of scared. What is his CC? He has entirely archers in his CC. One, two, three, four. That's so frustrating. I got nervous. And bungled that up. Shit. His CC bungled me up, bro. Fuck. We need to save a totem for the... Save a totem for the warden. I wish he would go inside. Oh my god, we're gonna 1-star. Oh my god, dude. Gotta be fucking kidding me. At least that's why, and that's right there is why we carry the fucking. That is why we carry the Phoenix on the RC. But yeah, this, it just goes to show you, because on this base in war, this is a time fail again, but on this base in war, I swagged my RC and 3 spells on it. I can actually go show you. But yeah, I swagged my RC and 3 spells on it, and then in Legends, it's so hard that like I'm gonna time fail. Like I'm just gonna fail, dude. I wish Supercell would give a minute 30 or 3 minutes and 30 seconds to attack. And if you want to use that 30 seconds to plan, you can. But we already have 3 time fails. The last 2 were time fails, and was that 95 a time fail? I don't even remember. Was this one a time fail? Yeah, it was a time fail. Yeah, so we've time failed 3 times already today. So, dude, at least we gotta think about it this way. At least we're not gonna have a 240 day. Because if we exclude, let's forget that yesterday happened. Before yesterday, I had 4 days in a row that were 3 of them were 248. The other one was 246. But then yesterday could have been 250, but we 1-starred trying to be fancy. But let's go ahead, get into the last attack. Let's fucking go. Ooh. This base looks nasty. This is a Town Hall 17 base. It's interesting. It's a Town Hall 17 base. But the dude... Are you fucking kidding me? What? Interesting. I guess we'll try to fireball that spitter. We just gotta watch out for these dude, this is how you know you're in low Legends, when you got people running bases like this. And I wouldn't even be low if I didn't have fucking minus 320 and minus 292, because these fucking bases that I had were fucking ass. Like, just so burnt. That was the issue. They were just so fucking burnt, and just, I used the one in high Legends, because I'd ended high the one day. Can I get all of that? Oh, I messed up. Oh, wait, no, we're good, Okay, now where do we place the warden from here? That's the question. I guess we'll just go over here. And then we'll just 1, 2. And if we need to use a totem, we can. It's not a big deal. Yeah, we'll just use a totem, redirect it. Everything is fine. Nice. Please don't die, Mr. Warden. That would be sick if you would not. How do we 3-star? Guess we'll just freeze all of this, I guess. And then, Ah, we're fucked. God damn it. Cause, dude, at Town Hall 18, it's just, like, impossible. Like, let's be real. And I wasted the RC. Should've used the RC. It'd probably be a time fail either way. That's fine, I guess. We've had 2 real fails today. That ain't bad. 2 real fails. That's not terrible. All the other ones were either 3 stars or time fails. It doesn't show it on the board, but I consider time fails 3 stars. Like, because, like, I'm not an esports pro, right? So, I did enough, and I averaged, or I came up with a good enough plan, and I executed it good enough to 3 star. There's just not enough time. Now, think about what today would be if we didn't time fail 3 times. 9, no, what is 9 times 3? It's 27. What is 267 plus 27? I'm pretty flustered right now, so let's go to Desmos. This is my favorite calculator, by the way. I had just taken a college English or a college math class. I'm in high school, by the way, and we had to use a fucking graphing calculator, like one of the handheld ones. And the handheld graphing calculators are so fucking gay, dude. I hate them things. Dude, I fucking hate them. But yeah, we would have been plus 294 if we had, what, 15, 20 more seconds? Yeah, because, 9 times 3, 27. Whatever. Supercell, or they really need to give more time. Dude, it's ridiculous. Well, they call me Mr. Time Fail for a reason.